Hey, it's me, guys.
And me, guys.
We finally got a big project bench update for you today. The big thing we've been working on is last fall at Nordicon, the girls won model airplanes, and she built hers over this winter, and we're really digging airplanes. So we're probably going to get a bunch more, and so we decided that the ceiling of our project room would be painted bright blue so that we have a sky to hang our airplanes in.
Check it out.
And now that that's done, what did we buy Wednesday?
We bought gallons of paint.
We got some paint, so we can finally get some paint on these walls.
Paint, 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 paint. And then I got my hair dyed.
Yes,
Finally.
we got some color for our summer hairdo, so pretty excited.
It was gonna be blue, but turned out teal.
I like it.
But I think teal looks good.
I think so too. Originally, I was thinking it would be just white to keep it really bright, but the cabinets we got are a mix match of free and really cheap. So I decided that I'm just gonna paint those white, and with white cabinets and white walls, I thought it'd just be a little, just too blah, too sterile. So we're just gonna do a nice little almond color. This one decided we should do a two-tone paint. So we're just gonna do a simple light to dark, top to bottom. And yeah, so we're moving along pretty good. We should be getting some cabinets and shelves in here shortly, and it'll start really taking shape. So excited when that comes around. I know she's been bugging me to get back to building. Until our next video, happy building. See you next time.
Peace out.